Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete account on Snapchat. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open your Snapchat. Make sure you have already downloaded Snapchat on your device. Now go to your profile. Here this will navigate you to your profile page. Now tap on setting icon on top right corner. Now scroll down until you find delete account. Click on it. So you'll see this kind of interface. Here enter your password and then tap on continue button. So if you delete for now, then it will not delete directly, but your account will be deactivated for 30 days, and if you will not reactivate it again, then it will be deleted after 30 days. So this is how you can delete your account on Snapchat. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.